Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so monitoring spirit they call Sky Sports and the Daily Star can let us know say Arsenal they consider Bournemouth's Dominic Solanke you get as Ivan Toney alternative. Get Dominic Solanke a striker when they play for AFC Bournemouth. And the guy they play very, very well. The guy does score 8 goals in 16 games this season. He does score more than Osimhen for the Napoli. Though Osimhen still get injured when he come out because that's what they put out for their reports when I read them. Because this morning while I was doing research, I stumbled upon it for this Sky Sports paper talk where they put different newspaper headlines for different media organizations for the United Kingdom. So as I can see them, I say, wow, interesting. Now the question is, if Dominic Solanke can be scoring this type of number of goals, can be this prolific in a small team like AFC Bournemouth, what thing go can they do for an Arsenal team where they create chances upon chances upon chances and waiting for a striker to bury all these chances? That is where I dey concerned. You get as Arsenal dey now. If the player like making a play for maybe Celtic or making a play for one kind a shit packer team, as long as he has an eye for goal, he's a fox in the box. He understands what it takes to put the ball at the back of the net. If that striker come Arsenal, me personally, I feel say he go thrive. So we no dey really look at where the person they come from. That's what because me I dey get a reorientation now. When they think differently now, say she was supposed to dey wonder where the player they come. I will look at the player's individual ability. Go on, yesterday I was watching one documentary about the Drogba. You know that Drogba played for Guingamp, one club for France. That's not Division 2 or there before Chelsea go get them. The guy they busted that in this grand scheme of things with Guingamp. But look at how Drogba ended his career at Chelsea as a legend. So many other examples they out there like that because people will say, where they come from? But at least look at the individual performances of that player, his features, his characteristics. These are things where they make players thrive. Well, I don't know, my own opinion with that. So what do I think about all these things? They talk say if we don't get Ivan Toney, which I think we can't get him in January, that an alternative is this Dominic Solanke, and Ateta identifies that we actually need firepower in the striking department in January if we want to win the league. Alright, away from that, so after the match we played yesterday with Brighton to De Zerbi, will be Brighton coach Kovacic on the praise Arsenal. So Kovacic does say Arsenal played much better than us. We suffered a lot against Arsenal. We are not used to suffering this way. So they lose all the second balls and everything. And what catch my attention and the fact that does say we are not used to suffering this way. Like Arsenal, like it does say Arsenal stopped their build-up play. Yesterday in the evening news at the time I talk say Brighton at team say they must play from the back. Brighton don't sabi all those Santo long ball to the balloon ball. No, they will play and build up from the back. So the way Arsenal the press from Odegaard, from Havertz, from Saka, from Martinelli, from Gabriel Jesus, they had no choice than to balloon the ball. In short, for the first half we dominated. Do you know what it means? To actually stifle this Brighton side and limit them to one shot on goal in a 90 plus minutes match. Brighton, what we say for their last 32 games, Brighton score in every of those games, the last 32. The 33rd game will be this one where they play against Arsenal. Now Arsenal come limit them. Say this one, now we know they play against, will not be the same team as last season. So we limited them to just one shot on goal. They don't really see any chance. Now after we don't score again, so come play so we go chill. Then call the day they are sending other, but all in all, at the same time, that miss from Pascal Gross, even the Zerbi will complain about that. Me say, if they say the guy score, who knows what could have happened? But it is what it is. So we don't win, we say we don't win. And the Zerbi say Arsenal are arguably the best team in the league right now. So it is what it is. Alright, away from that, so the Zerbi comes they tell the journalists, say, don't forget that we are Brighton and they are Arsenal because because of based on what team Brighton don't do, their antecedents, the things what they don't do in the past. People going to look them like say they be one kind of big almighty team. So you're going to remind journalists, say, man, I don't forget say we be Brighton, we still be small, you forget say we perform, we see the small league, then be Arsenal. Go and look at their heritage, their prestige, you get. They see the senior men, you get, because people they expect say Brighton go disturb based on the way they do us for the Emirates. They'll come Emirates, knock us back. The last season they knock us 3-0, season before 2-1. So people were expecting say as Arsenal did, and maybe Brighton will come cause a dent in our armor, but don't say I will know today. That gone as way they hear and I confirm bazooka without they fire anybody. Alright, away from that, so you know say yesterday, Jorginho no dey for the lineup where Arteta put out. Okay, so now they call they ask her for the media setting, say how far with this up. So now we call it say Jorginho get foot injury. Okay, so Arteta call it also we have like 6-7 players out. So they pray make these guys they recover because matches they come quick and fast. After we play Liverpool now, next match we'll play. Actually, we'll get like 3 more matches for this December like this. We'll go play. So thank God say we know them for one of those cup competitions. If not that for just compound everything, but it don't happen. Say don't happen. We need rest. Get so we'll just see how we see out all these games. All attention now go to Anfield, but we'll play there. So let's just see what happens. Alright, talking about Anfield, you know say Arsenal they look to end a run of 13 games winless at the Anfield. This run now since that kind of 2012-2013, now this run starts. So they say the last time we actually won at the Anfield, something on the reach like maybe 9-10 years. Almost so that record we could have done it last season. We were winning 2-0 and the equalized 2-2. Short we escaped from the Anfield, but this time around we won't see whether we go fit do am. And even Roy Keane said, come outside and talk say, well, let us see whether Arsenal will go Anfield, go collect result because Virgil van Dijk, after the match in Liverpool play against Manchester United, called the abuse Man, you say, Man, you no come play, Man, you come settle for a draw for the Anfield. That's why the game they boring. Saying that only them 9-1 win. Roy Keane got a bite back to and say, what if you say now only 1 win? She now we talk say when I lose all the chances so because they created chances upon chances and they could not bury them. So not because Manchester United. So because they get back and forth. At the end of the day, Roy Keane can say, okay, she been not say when they go on our side, we no one win, Abi. But yeah, Arsenal. I know say Arsenal they always set up to win. So Arsenal is coming there. Let us see what happens. Then the story is going to laugh. And the truth is, we will see whether we will go there to just break this bad record. You get. Most because they get the same record for one before one knock them like say tomorrow no day. Get I think it was last season we had them 3-2, so we broke that jinx. But this time around we are going there again, and some of the players who get I also that Declan Rice never really play for Arsenal for that place. Like we have a new setup, our squad different. So when we go there and we are the best away side in the league for a reason. So when we go there, I believe say Liverpool know they are as strong as they used to be. That's just the truth. Look at the match against Manchester United. Man, you could have won the match. But I see many chances that went begging. Yes, but we will just see how it will be because even said yesterday they get an injury to Ryan Gravenberch. That one said get injury. So then say injury don't they bite them. One of their fullback is whether Robertson. That like they get injury problems too, as we self will get. So let's see what happens on the 23. Alright, based on the yellow card we then give Arteta. So Arteta can explain say don't be saying they talk say make referee give Mitoma yellow card. So no, say he was waving to Martinelli. Say the referee can't say maybe na him in the wave to I don't know can't give him yellow card. So now Arteta explanation with that. And that's as Arteta explains what's going to come ahead and say the referees then they'll monitor Arteta any movements we do. They'll just get a card because they see the vex for him. And for the fact that he escaped punishments. So they see the vex for him. Sure, this season Arteta don't collect 4 yellow cards already, which is ridiculous. Don't collect 4 yellow cards already. Now only Arteta and Kai Havertz they don't collect 4 yellow cards. So Kai Havertz is just 1 yellow card away from missing the next match. But are they happy say for this match we'll play yesterday now against Brighton, he no collect any yellow card because we actually need his aerial presence and his form against this Liverpool because it gives us a different dimension in the way we attack situations. So I just say after Liverpool match, if you want to get blessed after Liverpool and West Ham they play on there. So if you get yellow card, no yawa now, move forward. Alright, so Arsenal also, as I make a let you know, say we are 13 games unbeaten at home this season. Yes, the Emirates is a fortress. Nobody don't breach that fortress this season. So we will still they go. We'll see how long we go sustain this our home form. You get say nobody will beat us for here like with the assistance of our 12th men. You get so and some guys Man City don't come here, they no do am. So big teams don't come here. Spurs when they beat they come here, they no fit do am. You get so. But I just they happy with all these statistics. They make me happy. Alright, so Roy Keane also come to talk say Arsenal actually have the best chance of beating City to the title this season, because when you look at the way Arsenal are playing, City are not really convincing. Forget all those they say February they go better, February they will hit the ground running. They are not really convincing. But Arsenal, on the other hand, they know they play fantastically well, but they are grinding out results and collecting the maximum 3 points that they need. So, and that is what is important. Like what they got talk yesterday. Yesterday was his birthday. So now they talk say the gift where you know they talk say in need for this birthday na 3 points. It's just that 3 points. Don't be saying making score. To say he score would have been like an icing on the cake, because he really wanted to score. He tried all his best, shots outside. Like other guys just get unlucky that yesterday. The guy's supposed to score like 2-3 goals. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, say that 3 points. Like matter most. And I want to reckon they talk say Arsenal sometimes they don't play well, but they collect the 3 points, they collect them, and that one might be the most thing we matter. Alright, so for those who know they are aware, the Champions League draw is going to hold today, December the 18th. Now, after the Champions League draw, you don't hold them. The first leg will be played February 13th and 14th and 20 and 21. The second leg will be held March 5 and 6 and then 12 and 13th, 2024. So now they will play. So today, we will know whether they will give us PSG and some other, because from the list I see people they available to play us. I believe say PSG on paper will be maybe the strongest side who we play against together. But I don't know, or Barca. I think Barca finished second in their own group. I can't even remember. I think PSG or Barca. So much of the see how things gonna fold. And me, as I do like this, I don't go lie for you. I don't fear anybody. You get all those possible 7-8 teams in them put up. Say Arsenal, I don't fear anybody. Anybody they come. That will play all our players by the grace of God. We don't get a clean bill of health. When I go to fear. Now when we don't reach February, that February 13 I'll come check our squad. How many injuries do we have? Which injury we don't get? Who are the new additions that come in? When I check all those variables and put them on the table, then I'll come give a good analysis of our fate. But for now, what is this so? Alright, so Michael Owen come as I call the praise Kai Havertz for proving his doubters wrong. Say the guy don't get a bit of promise. Say not only Arteta, he gets nice stand by the guy when people they castigate and they brutalize him online. But look at it now. Say the guy don't they play very well. They prove in doubters wrong. But point of correction and direction to Michael Owen, no be only Arteta they support Kai Havertz. Me, my humble self, I can come outside proudly and say I was like a lone voice in the wilderness when I was supporting him and collecting some flack from members of our community. So at the end of the day, I'm very proud. I'm like a proud dad, you know. I just be happy for him saying things around, everybody singing his praises. Even Michael Owen, when they castigate Arteta, say, hey Arteta, I go sign this, I waste the money. It's praising him today. Even Darren Benz of TalkSport, when they yarned us that year, it's praising him today. Everybody praising him. So I'm just happy. Alright, even Clint Morrison, come as I talk, say Brighton we are well beaten by Arsenal. Say in see I'm coming, like he expected that, because Arsenal, when I see what Brighton do last season, because when we say them Arsenal I play everything, but Brighton I need to score knock Arsenal 3-0. So Arsenal don't want the repeat of that kind of nonsense way happen. So this time around they tried to just correct everything, and that was what they did. So I just did very happy. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you check the top left corner of your screen, go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out and happy new week.